Well, well, well. Another OBS pickup truck. Three wheels, you might have a slight obsession. All right, it's a little bit windy out here. Apologize for the background noise. Short wheelbase, 5-speed OBS. Yep, that is the 67 Chevelle Project Motivation. And we are going to be respraying this in its original color, bringing it back to what it looked like from the factory. Just one little dent. Okay, a medium, good sized dent back here. I had to pull that out. Got a little bit of cancer around the wheel wells, as you can possibly see right there. Yep. Cab corner. Rocker panel. That fender seems to be okay. It's got a little bit of a dent right here. We'll be replacing the trim, the bump trim. There's a dent in that door. Cab corner, rocker. Probably a little bit of cancer down here, I'm sure. But yeah, overall, the truck is in super good shape. Silverado trim, power windows. A one-owner truck with 160,000 miles on it, a 5-speed. It has been lowered. We're going to be taking care of some Bell Tech shock relocators for the rear. But other than that, and probably replacing this dashboard. It's seen better days. It's cooked from the sun, so we'll have to replace the dash. But yeah, she looks good. So that said, we're going to go ahead and get some parts ordered and start the teardown process. Get ready to bring her back to her glory. All right, the prep work has begun on the truck. You can see getting all that old worn out paint taken down. Getting ready to pull some dents up here at the top. We'll use the stud puller to pull the dents from here and back here. And one over there, get those pulled out. And go ahead and get the rockers and the cab corners taken care of. And this bed is pretty rough. It's got some pretty serious, yeah. Yep, with that chrome trim, it really does a number on those beds, you can see. And just to give you an idea, the rest of this bed's super clean. As you can see, there's no rust anywhere else. Those little wheel arch things are very, very dangerous and detrimental because they trap dirt up there. All right, as you guys know, last year I dealt with some more kidney stone issues again, so I was in the hospital. The truck was over at Haycox Customs, as you can see here. And we decided to go ahead and do a replacement bed in lieu of trying to repair the bed that was there. It was eaten up inside the wheel wells as well as the outer skin, and just didn't want to take a chance of something coming back for the owner to have to deal with. So we went ahead and decided to do a replacement bed, and that was just going to be the best path going forward. So I was unable to gather the painting footage of the truck, so in the next video we're going to jump on the finish work. But just wanted to give you guys an update on what was going on as far as this truck's concerned, because it's been a little while. My name's Erwin. This Three Wheels in a Block. We're giving back what time is taken away. We'll see you soon.